Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to prevent sunburn on your skin. So if this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's get into it.
So if you did actually end up getting burnt, whether you went outside for a barbecue or went to the beach or something like that, you did in fact get burnt. Okay, what you can do, this can last anywhere from 2 to 4 days, the sunburn. Okay, but what you need to do to prevent any sort of peeling or stuff like that is you want to be getting an after sun. So this after sun, so it's after sun, and this is a moisturizer that you just open. Okay, so you'd open that, it's like a spray, and then you would spray it on your arms. Okay, spray it on your neck, and then just put some on your hand like that, spray it on your hand, rub your hands together, and then put it on your face. But you need this after sun, otherwise it's going to be pretty painful. And this is the after sun is going to help soothe the skin and prevent that burn that you get from the sunburn. So this is cools and soothes the skin, and this is it lasts for 48 hours. Okay, but you want to put it on every single day. So you want to pick up something like this, okay, after sun, and then while you're at the store, you basically want to ask the pharmacist what else you can take for your sunburn. Maybe there's some other lotions and stuff you can put on to treat the burn. Okay, and that's what you can do. So if this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video.